How to fix error sending code, double check your phone number, and Claude. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a troubleshooting step for you to bypass this kind of issue while trying to send an OTP or a code if you're logging in on Claude AI. So first, if you pull up the application, it's actually depending on how you set up your account. So if you choose on Google, it will usually send you an OTP via your Google, of course. But if you set it up on sending OTP in your mobile device and if it's not letting you in, then here's how you can fix that. First is, of course, make sure that you're currently running the latest version of Claude AI if you're using the application by going into your App Store and then choosing on Claude if it is updated to the latest version. Now, before re-attempting to send the code again, you're just gonna need to clear cache from the application itself. Tap and hold on your Claude AI app and choose on the eye icon so that you will be redirected into app info of the specific application itself. Scroll down and then under usage, choose on storage. And here, choose on clear data, confirm, and choose on clear cache, confirm. Don't worry on using these types of features because it will not delete your account. It will just refresh or reset the application for bugs and crashes. So those are the very basic troubleshooting steps for you to fix error sending code, double check your phone number, and Claude.